Guys, it's super late to be recording right now.
No, it's really
It's literally, it's dripping.
Oh my god, it fell on my face.
Yeah, it's dripping right now.
It just rained and I guess it's still sprinkling.
Yeah, and it like turns,
So sorry
it's
for the
7
sweater.
it's 7 o'clock right now where we are.
I know, it's so early. We just had to make a video.
Yeah, it was like perfect weather for us.
Well, no.
To me, I like it.
Well,
It's
to me,
perfect.
not perfect weather.
There's a
because
backyard.
It's kind of raining. But
I mean, besides
the
besides the raining part, it's a little.
Oh, dropped the phone. Oh, dude, you left your cup out there all night. Does it have anything in it?
Don't think I know that. Yeah, we made a challenge where we'd stay up and it starts at 12 and goes to 6. Super fun. I kind of recommend it, but
You might be able to see this, but we broke the mattress. We broke it. But that was all because we were running up and down. It was so fun, but
yeah, well, we gotta go right now.
we gotta
Bye.
get back inside.